there isn't anybody that, there's nobody that's not done, you know, everybody's been.
Exactly.
I don't feel like it's a dentist.
It's family.
It's more like a family. You don't get this treatment in the UK
Right.
at all. You know, the way that everybody's been is just brilliant. It really is fantastic. And I'm going home with this. I'm Glen. I've got problems with my jaw and my teeth. They wasn't the best as they should have been.
Yeah.
And I came to Tower Dental back in January this year, earlier in the year.
Yeah.
And I had the top set all removed, and I had 6 implants on the top and a bit of work done to the bottom set of teeth.
Yeah.
I'm back here now in early June, and I've had the all on 6 top set placed on, and I've had crowns on all of the 14 bottom teeth. And as you can probably see, with a smile on my face, it's absolutely probably the best thing I've ever done. The doctors here and everybody else, they're amazing. They really are. I've been treated almost like royalty. So when you get here, right from landing at the airport, they pick you up in a chauffeur-driven, state-of-the-art vehicle, get you to the hotel, beautiful hotel, all again all supplied by Tower Dental. Absolutely recommend Tower Dental Clinic to everybody. It's a first-class service.